When you sign up for Medicare Part A and Part B, you might be wondering, when do I sign up for the other parts of Medicare? Today, I'm going to talk to you about exactly when to sign up for a Medicare Supplement plan. And it's important to know this because there's some pretty strict timelines you need to follow, so you don't want to miss this. Stay tuned. Hi, I'm Jamie Banner, and I'm the founder of Medicare by Jamie. I'm a licensed insurance agent that works specifically with people enrolling into Medicare, and today I'm going to talk to you about when to sign up for a Medicare supplement plan. So when you do your Medicare sign up, there's a lot of different parts. There's Part A, Part B, a supplement or advantage plan, and a Part D drug plan. And they've all got pretty strict timelines and schedules as to when you can sign up for them. So today we're going to talk about when to sign up for the supplement plan, the part of Medicare that covers what A and B do not. Before we get started, if you find the information in this video helpful, I'd appreciate if you give a thumbs up and subscribe and leave a comment down below. Okay, so let's talk about it. The when. So when do you even sign up for Medicare Part A and Part B in general? A lot of people, it's when you turn 65. That's when you first become Medicare eligible. Some people, it's when they retire. You've stopped working after 65 and now you're starting your Medicare enrollment. And for some people, it's under 65 with Medicare disability. Like, it really varies from person to person, whether you're signing up at 65, before, or even after. So we know these timelines, and I have another video where I talk about when to find out if you're Medicare eligible. I'm going to link it down below. But for conversation's sake, let's say at this point we've already signed up for Part A and Part B. So we've got our Part A hospital coverage and our Part B outpatient coverage. But Part A and Part B do not cover everything associated with Medicare in terms of medical costs. So majority of people are going to pick up a Medicare supplement plan and are kind of wondering, when can I sign up for that? Can I do it right when I sign up for Medicare? Do I have to wait until my Medicare is active? It's really important because there's a pretty strict timeline to it. So Medicare supplement plans, there's a ton of them, but really when we get into it, in 2020, it's mostly these two plans, Plan G and Plan N. Got a video also where I talk about the coverage for these plans because that's what I do. I assist people in finding the best Medicare supplement plans. I will link that video down below. And if you have any questions, you can always call me. My number is 833-65-JAMIE. So let's say we've decided we want a Plan G or a Plan N. When can we do this? It really depends on our Part B because that is our start clock. So right when our Part B starts, we've initially entered that timeline. Whether you start your Part B at 65 or you start your Part B at 75 for a Medicare supplement plan, that triggers our start window. Because when your Part B starts for a Medicare supplement plan, you've got a 6-month window to enroll in that Medicare supplement without going through any health underwriting. So your Part B starts, you've got 6 months from that Part B start date to get your supplement plan done with no health history questions. And if you miss that 6 months, you've now got to answer health history questions. So that's a great part about Part B is that if you set up your supplement plan within those 6 months of your Part B starting, pre-existing conditions are not a factor. So any pre-existing condition you're coming into your Medicare with under Part B cannot be used against you to enroll in a Medicare supplement plan if you enroll in the initial 6-month window. So that's the really important timeline, is that 6 months. Because you won't have to answer any questions about health history, prescriptions, nothing. And they can't deny you coverage for those conditions. It's kind of a blank slate for you. So if you've got some prior health history stuff, it's really important to get this done as soon as possible. Because if you don't, you're going to have to go through what's called medical underwriting. So say you want to do your supplement plan 7 months past your Part B start date or 7 years past your Part B start date. You've got to answer some other questions that you may not have had to answer if you did it immediately. And those questions are going to involve your health. So it's going to ask you a bunch of different questions. Most are yes or no, whether you have certain diagnoses or things like that. Most carriers will also want a copy of your prescription drug history list. And usually that dates back at least 2 years or so. And anything you take currently, they're going to look at. And they also are going to want to know, have you been hospitalized? Have you had any medical procedures? And using this information, the insurance carrier now has the power to decide whether they're going to approve you for a Medicare supplement plan or deny you, because at this point, they have the option to deny you based on your health history. And it can really vary. Some put more weight in things than others, but realistically, most of them are looking for people at this point who are generally healthy. So if you've got some kind of big major health conditions going on and you wait past that 6 months and try to apply, they have the option to deny you, and you may not be able to get into a Medicare supplement plan. So it's really, really crucial to stick within that 6 months if you've got anything going on. And even if you don't, we kind of can't predict the future. You know, we could be super healthy and then on month 6, boom, something happens and it makes it really difficult. So that's why it's really important to kind of just set everything up at once and have nothing to worry about. Have your A and B in place, your supplement in place, and you can kind of feel a weight lifted off your shoulders knowing that you don't have the ability to be denied because you did it all right away. If you have any questions, you can always give me a call. My number is 833-65-JAMIE. Again, this is what I do. I assist people in finding the best Medicare supplement plan, as well as helping you to enroll in that plan to ensure that we do it within that 6 months. You can also visit my website, medicarebyjamie.com. You can get a free Medicare supplement plan quote for you in your area. You can also email me, jamie@medicarebyjamie.com. If you like this video, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe and leave a comment down below. I respond to every comment I get. If you stay tuned, I'm going to give you a tour of my website and show you exactly how to request that free Medicare supplement quote. Again, thanks for watching. Hi, I'm Jamie Banner, the founder of Medicare by Jamie. I'm going to give you a quick run through of my website so you can easily navigate and find all the important links and information I provided for you. So when we get started, we're going to be right on the home page, and the first thing you can see is you can request a Medicare supplement plan quote. And that's what I do. I assist people in finding the best Medicare supplement plan options for them. So if you go ahead and put your zip code in there and a couple other basic pieces of information, I can get you the best supplement plan quote in your area. Once we get away from there and we go up to the top, we can see the Resource Center. So if we click on the Resource Center, we've got a couple options under there. The first one's going to be Video Library. So when we click there, it's going to take you to a page that shows you all of my YouTube videos. So all my videos will be on there along with their titles, so you can easily kind of search through them and see what video you're looking for based on your current needs. There's also a button up there that says subscribe to YouTube. So that will take you straight to my YouTube channel where you can subscribe, comment, do whatever you need, and find all the videos you need. When we go back to the Resource Center, the next link is going to say important links. And that's going to be a ton of different hyperlinks that give a lot of information, like finding doctors that take Medicare, maybe filing a claim if you had something, lots of different things that can take you out to show you things you can do for Medicare. And the last section is going to be guides and forms. Now, this one is really important. I've listed a ton of forms that are going to be very important for Medicare. Stuff like employer coverage forms if you're still working past 65, IRMA appeal forms, maybe if you need to check your Part B premium based on your income. I have all of that here, plus a lot of different informative PDFs that's going to give you as much information as you need in Medicare, because that's what we want. We want you to be completely educated on everything Medicare related so you can make the best and most informed decision. I've also got it up here where everything is divided into categories. So if you need to find something a little bit faster, just click one of these categories and it's going to narrow it down to things involved in that section. Again, if you have any questions, you can always call me. My number is 833-65-JAMIE. You can also email me at jamie@medicarebyjamie.com, or you can go to the website and hit the Contact Us button and you can send me a little information. I hope you found this video helpful and thank you for watching.